Most life insurance agencies think they have a lead generation problem, but after breaking down 3,287 real inbound lead conversations across dozens of insurance agency firms, millions in pipeline, and hundreds of hours of follow-up data, what we found changes everything you think you know about lead generation. There is a short window, so short it's almost invisible, and most agents miss it. In this video, I'm gonna break down the hidden mistake that's costing you clients every week and walk you through the same secret AI fix that's helping top life insurance agencies book more calls and close more deals without hiring anyone new. Everyone's obsessed with getting more leads, but there's one invisible detail most agencies overlook, and it's the reason your pipeline feels dead, even when leads are flowing in. Okay, so you guys already know when someone is looking for a life insurance advisor, you have to ask yourself, what is that psychology behind that intent? All right, are they casually browsing? Chances are no. They are in a moment of tension. Are they worried about retirement? Are they worried that they're not going to be able to afford it as they go into retirement, or their health condition is not going to be locked in before retirement? And they want to make sure that they lock in that good health condition before they even start dealing with the whole mess of being at an older age and being retired? Are they worried about their loved ones, making sure that there's a nest egg? Are they worried about their health? They want to make sure that they lock in their good health while they still can and get a good life insurance policy. Either way, there is a very small window. It's a very emotional time period when they go onto your website, they click that ad, they respond to the email. Whichever way they come across your company and any of that information, there's a small window, and it's a very emotional window that you need to make sure that you capitalize on. So you got to make sure that you're there to catch it. Once you catch that window, you're going to find success. However, if you wait too long, that emotional window is going to get colder. Okay. On top of that, chances are they're going to find some other life insurance agency that's going to capitalize on that emotional window and get them locked into a policy. Once you understand the why, it's going to help you understand the importance of quick response time in lead qualification. Within the first 5 minutes, curiosity is high and you're at the top of their mind. What happens past those first 5 minutes is where a lot of agencies get right into that make or break zone. Minute one, they're curious. They just filled out the form. You're at the top of their mind. This situation is something that's been bothering them. It's an emotional high for them. Minute one, they're curious. Minute two, they get a Slack ping. They're on TikTok. Life interrupts. By minute three, curiosity fades. The window starts to close. Minute 4 to 5, they forget your name. Gone. You're just another tab they forgot to reopen. And that literally happens within the first 5 minutes. Guys, the game is no longer the same anymore. We're all inundated with information. We're all getting slam dunk with information, and social media is constantly in our face, and life is just more intense. That 5-minute window is super important that you capitalize on that emotional high. And this right here is a golden rule. If you're not first, you're forgotten. Okay, that hot lead you're excited about, cold, distracted, gone. This isn't theory, this is human behavior. Attention drifts fast. If you're not first, you're forgotten. And this is where AI flips the script. Most businesses follow up later. AI doesn't follow up, it shows up instantly. A new lead comes in, a text or a phone call fires immediately within that first 5 minutes. They're qualified, the questions are answered, and if they're ready, an appointment is booked, all in under 5 minutes. There's no lunch breaks, no missed windows, no wondering, should I call them right now? The best part is you're not doing any of it. There's no more chasing. There's no, I'll call them after this meeting. No more leads are slipping through the cracks. And here's the truth. Some firms will keep reacting. The smart ones are going to automate and never miss a lead again. So with every step of the way here, I'm going to give you a quick tip to do a 24-hour implementation. A lead comes in. What you're going to do is you're going to set a 5-minute timer. Prepare the message. The best thing to do is if you set up an AI SMS, AI email, or AI chatbot. And what it's going to do is going to handle that 5-minute timer for you automatically with every lead that comes in. What that bot is going to do is going to acknowledge the lead and, of course, do the qualification. It's going to ask the questions to make sure they're actually a qualified lead, to even make sense to even give them a phone call in the first place, to even know if it even makes sense to put them in the sales funnel. That's going to help your salespeople save time as an agency. It's going to help you save time knowing that that lead, when it does come to your calendar, they've already knocked off all the check boxes. And ultimately, it's going to build trust. When you respond within the first 5 minutes between an AI voice call or an AI text message, even if you do the AI text message, that alone builds trust of knowing, wow, this is a company that actually cares. They're a company, they're on top of it. I can give them that much more trust. And ultimately, you're going to capitalize on top of mind awareness. Most agencies aren't even thinking about this next step, but when we installed it for one of our clients, it 5x their book calls with the same exact leads. It's not about speed and it's not about volume. It's about this one layer that I'm going to discuss that most agents never even consider, and it changes everything. The importance of immediate lead response is crazy important. I can't stress that enough. In today's day and age, you need to make sure lead response time is at the top of your list. And the agents in your office, they're busy, they're on calls and meetings, managing client money. So when a new lead comes in, it sits sometimes for hours. You guys have already experienced this. Agents inside of your office have also experienced this as well. You're on the call with the lead and boom, while you're on the call, the client is saying, oh, somebody else is calling me. Oh my gosh. That happens because somebody else is capitalizing on the opportunity. You have to make sure that you're first. So when a new lead comes in, don't let it sit. And it's not because you don't care, it's because you're human. You mean to respond personally, but by the time you do, the lead's already gone cold, or they've already been hit up by another life insurance agency. The benefits of an AI system for lead response gives you fast and immediate response time, okay? Even if you load your leads inside of a dialer and it gets distributed to all of your agents, there is something magical about being able to send a text message or a voice call as soon as that lead comes in, okay? You're getting fast and immediate response time. One advisor we work with waited 4 hours plus to follow up. By then, the prospect already signed with someone else. That delay cost them a $12,000 client. Salesforce.com. This is super important statistic. Salesforce.com says that 78% of buyers purchase from the first company to respond to them. So what we did is we plugged in an AI assistant. The next week, he booked 5 more clients without lifting a finger. And these aren't normal clients. These are high value, high ticket clients that were able to afford expensive life insurance policies. When you're also using an AI system for lead response, it's going to give you consistent follow-up without gaps or delays. Speed is not a hustle anymore. It's an automation. And AI is the only team member that works 24/7, never forgets, and never burns out. And this is going to give you automation for round-the-clock availability. 24/7. Even when your agents have already gone home for the day, as soon as a lead comes in, boom, you can send that AI text message and engage that prospect and qualify them and have them book onto the calendar for the next day for that agent to call them and ultimately close them. And this is why top advisors, they don't just leave it to chance. They are using AI appointment setters, not to replace their team, but to make sure no lead ever slips through the cracks. The moment someone opts in, boom, AI sends a message or makes the call. Even if that lead hates phone calls, it knows how to engage, start the conversation, and build some trust. Even if that person avoids a phone call, you can send an AI text message for those that do not like phone calls. And ultimately, get them booked before you even know that that lead came in. And here's an implementation that you can place in 24 hours. Visitor opts in, boom, AI assistant triggers. It sends a call, a text, and an email. You guys got to understand that these conversations that the AI is having is not robotic. It's very human-like. And ultimately, what it's going to do is going to qualify that lead, find out their income, when are they ready to purchase a life insurance policy. It's going to ask questions that ultimately lead to them booking an appointment and closing a sale. So by the time, like I said before, by the time they get on your calendar, you have somebody that's qualified. You're going to have a nice, clean lead sheet that's going to tell you the information that you need to know. It's going to give them a quick greeting, ask relevant questions. It's going to do a call to action to make them book an appointment right then and there. The AI has two different branches, of course. Is a visitor ready to buy? If no, if they're not ready to buy right then and there, it still qualifies them and gets them a booking. If they don't do that booking, it's going to do automated follow up. Fortune is in the follow up. So it's going to keep doing an automated follow up. 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, a month, two. It's going to keep doing that automated follow up for you. So you don't have to have your sales team burn out trying to do follow ups on these leads. If the visitor is ready to buy, it can do two things. Okay, it's going to do a call to action to make them book on the calendar, or it's going to do an instant transfer to your agent, ready to go, ready to sign them up and get them into a life insurance policy. Yes, speed will get their attention, but without this next step that I'm going to go over, they're still going to ghost you. And this is the silent killer inside most follow-up systems, because even fast can feel fake. Having authenticity and fast responses is at the utmost importance as well. You gotta sound real. It's gotta sound legit. Okay? It's gotta sound like a real person, and AI can do that. If you still think AI sounds like a robotic, nonsensical chatbot, you are very, 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 very far behind. These AI automations sound extremely realistic. Okay, so here's the good thing here is that you already have step one down pack, right? You're responding fast, right? That gets the click ultimately over to that calendar booking. But what you have to remember is that a fast reply should not feel cold, canned, or robotic. If it does, it's going to break trust and it's going to have you get ghosted. We've seen it over and over again. Advisors, they install automation, but still don't convert. It's because the message sounds flat. And yes, speed does get attention, but trust gets the action. Robotic replies lead to being ghosted. Most advisors, they lose a sale due to lack of authenticity in their messages. Sending templated emails, stiff voicemails, automated replies, it leads to vanishing leads. Right now, overwhelmed advisors are drowning in opportunity, but they're missing sales left and right. Their team's exhausted, their systems are stretched thin. They don't need more leads, they need relief. Fast responses are no longer enough. Messages need to feel real. And that's what 99% of advisors are still getting wrong. Okay, so what's the fix here? Okay, so what you got to do is you got to make sure that you build a system that responds like a human, but faster, smarter, and tireless. That means training the AI to match your tone. What you can do is you can literally upload thousands and thousands of text messages and voice calls inside of the AI and train it so that it's going to sound exactly like your company voice. The program is going to respond to common objections, all those basic objections that they're going to have prior to the call. It's going to handle all of that, frequently asked questions, etc. By the time they come onto the phone call, they're warmed up and they're ready to close. Sequence replies that feel like they came from you. It takes strategy, nuance, and testing. But when you get it right, it's like having your best salesperson working 24/7, never missing, never burning out. Now you know the blueprint. The edge isn't speed alone, it's speed wrapped into trust. So here's your 24-hour implementation. The first thing is start. Find an AI chatbot. You can have us do it as well, but the point is to start. It doesn't make sense to keep burning out your salespeople or burning yourself out on something that can be automated. Let the AI handle the first 90%. Okay, it's going to handle conversational AI. It's going to send follow-ups. It's going to send check-ins and keeps the conversation warm. And it's going to help you focus on what you do best: selling, closing, making deals. And some people, they're worried about AI replacing their people, and you do not have to worry about it replacing your people. What you're doing here is you're saving them. You're helping them save time. You're helping them save frustration. You're helping them save time by not having to sit there and educate people about what a life insurance policy. Come on, guys. We know what the leads are like. Some of these people, they need to be educated 100% about a life insurance policy. When you do it like this and you implement a system that educates them and builds trust, by the time they hop on the phone call, I kid you not, they are ready to close. And when you finally hop on that call, the lead isn't cold. They're ready to say yes. So yes, response speed is the silent killer, but honestly, that's not even the biggest mistakes most life insurance agencies are making. Yes, you can reply in 5 minutes. Yes, you can even automate it. But if your follow-ups don't sound like you, and if you're not asking for referrals at the perfect time, your pipeline still dies quietly. Click on this next video. I'm gonna show you exactly how to set up AI follow-ups that sound human, build trust, and automatically ask for and collect referrals without you having to lift a finger. If you're serious about turning every lead into a client and a referral source, that video is your next move.